All right. Hey, so my name's Janelle McClarty, and I'm a web designer from Toronto, Canada. And I'm going to start doing these little segments where I answer questions from customers that I get a lot. So the question for today is, should I buy multiple domains for my website? This is for usually business owners. So I'm going to explain the question a little bit. So let's say I have a real estate company or a realtor who wants to get a website done. Let's say this realtor's name is Sarah Brown. So it's Sarah Brown Realty, right? This Sarah, she operates in Canada. She's going to want to buy sarahbrown.ca. And then I'm like, okay, that's fine. So we're going to purchase the domain sarahbrown.ca. But then I see that we have sarahbrown.com available, as well as, sarahbrown.info, .net. There's a lot of different extensions. So I suggest to Sarah Brown to purchase sarahbrown.ca as well as .com. The benefit of doing this is that imagine there's a Sarah Brown in the States, in the US, that is a realtor maybe as well, or maybe even not a realtor, but she purchases sarahbrown.com. Then my client purchases sarahbrown.ca. Now, when you're marketing and doing all this, paying all this money to promote your website, you have people typing in by accident.com and seeing a different Sarah Brown that's not you. So I always recommend to purchase both extensions, the .com and the .ca, no matter what industry you're in or no matter what you're selling, because you don't want to spend all that money on marketing and someone else gets your business, right? Or the customer types in the wrong extension by accident, which happens, and they're confused for something so simple that you could have just purchased for, it's only like maximum $20 a year to purchase a domain. So might as well spend that $20 so that you don't lose out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the long run. So that's the brief explanation of why you should purchase multiple domains. I have some clients too who purchase 10 extensions. So they get the .com, .ca, .info, .net, .biz, .gut. Like they just want to get them all so they have no confusions. And look at companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola. You type in Pepsi.anything and it redirects you to Pepsi's website. So as a startup, focus on the top two or the most common two, which is .com and .ca. And maybe when your business grows, you buy out the rest of extensions. Okay? So once again, my name is Janelle McClarty. I'm the owner of EncoreWebsites.com. I design websites mainly. I do marketing, logo design, and a bunch of other things. So check out my website, EncoreWebsites.com, and I'm going to be posting this on YouTube as well as my website and other social media platforms. If you have any other questions or advice, tips that you need to know, comment below or just send me an email. All right, thanks for watching.